So in this video we'll install Postman. So you can just head over to postman.com and click the download button. So we can just download that for Windows 64-bit, and that's 80 megabytes, so it'll take a little bit to load. So once it's loaded, you can click on that. And Postman's great for testing endpoints like of CRUD operations, so the get, post, put and delete requests. So a browser can only show you a get request in JSON format back or when you load a page, but if we want to see the response of when we post data or any other of the operations, this is a great client to be able to handle those requests. And just down the bottom here there's a skip signing in and take me straight to the app, so we can just download the program without entering our email and stuff like that. And this takes us to the Postman interface. So okay, we get this welcome message here. We can just close that and we can just click plus here. So we'll make a new get request just to test it out. And there's this website called jasonplaceholder.typicode.com, and this is where we can make some dummy requests. So I'll just make this request to this URL here, and I'll get back this JSON data here. And what we can do is we can just, for a get request, we don't need to type anything else other than the get request itself, and we can see that request, that JSON output. If we wanted to do a post request or a put request, what we could do is we can click this icon here, go to post, and I'll just open up JSON placeholder for an example of a post request. Okay, so there's posts here. So I might just do. Okay, so this won't work. It's a get request, but it's getting all the posts for us. I was just taking a look at the structure of the post. So if I go to this URL here and make it a post request, I'll need to post some data, and usually we post JSON data, so I'll just show an example of that. And in the body section we can click on raw and we can click this text to JSON, and then we can enter our JSON in, and it won't actually post it to the server, but it will obviously, but it's going to receive the response and notify us. So let's just send this off, and okay, and we get a response data back, and that's how we can test get, post, request, and it's similar for all other operations as well. So okay, that's the Postman installation and quick examples of how it works. In the next video we'll connect MySQL up to Node, and then we'll also be using Postman to test our API out. So check that one out.